Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now go for the connections, tap on the more connection settings and tap on the printing. Right now use the default print service, and our smartphone finds the printer and connects automatically to our HP Color Raster Jet Pro printer. So right now when you want to print something, I will go for the picture. For this one we have to click right here and click on the print. Right now select the printer from the upper of the screen and then just simply tap on this icon to print that picture. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. So yeah,